Hey, I am here with Darren at Whip It at the NRA Show 23 in the North Hall. And what's the booth number here?
This is 8017.
In booth 8017. Stop by and see these guys. At any rate, how are you, Darren?
Really great. Excellent.
Fantastic. So tell us what you got going on here exactly.
All right. So Whip It is a brand that's been around since the 1960s. Current ownership's been in place since 1997. And we're doing a lot of innovative things like no other company in the space of whipped cream dispensers and nitrous oxide chargers.
Okay. So let's talk about that a little bit. What sets you apart from other companies that may be doing the same thing?
Well, we're the second largest supplier of this type of product in the United States. And we started a project about 5 years ago. We built a factory in California. We're the only manufacturer who produces nitrous oxide chargers in California. And very recently, we got NSF certification on our chargers, which we're very proud of. NSF certification means that the chargers had to pass a lot of tests to be certified. These chargers are also the only ones in the world that are made out of aluminum, which requires less energy to recycle, so it's more eco-friendly.
Excellent.
We also have a very unique cleaning process, which you can see here, the inside of our chargers are extremely clean.
Mm-hmm.
All other chargers, on the inside, there's a layer of machining oil.
Oh my goodness.
Sometimes rust, other metal particulate, and a number of different things. So we decided we can do better than that.
Yep.
And how are we going to let people know?
Yeah.
And the way that we wanted to let people know was getting the NSF certification, which we don't believe our competitors will be able to get on their chargers.
Right, right. That's certainly a big deal, I think.
I think so. Well, we're not exactly sure yet, but I think that if there's an NSF certified option out there and it's not more expensive, then why not?
Yeah. I think that's a big differentiation for sure, I think. Well, you want to talk about some of your products that you're offering here to people? Yeah.
So besides the chargers, our stainless steel dispenser is kind of our bread and butter dispenser. Mm-hmm. This is the most heavy-duty whipped cream dispenser on earth. This base part is made with one single piece of extruded steel. All other ones have a seam that actually goes down the length of it and the bottom where the metal's welded together. So these are very, very strong and safe. Okay. They come in a few different sizes. And if you come over here, we're also the only company that makes that same kind of stainless steel charger in this beautiful copper color, which for your elegant kind of steakhouse or anywhere where they want to do anything in front of guests, this can look really nice. So these are good for not only whipped cream, but also for soups, spumas, tableside. You can do something at the table and make it really elegant and fancy. So this copper color is a really popular option too.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful.
Yep. Another new product that we've got going on this year is this little grill. The stoves like that are been around for a long time, mm-hmm. But the grill is totally unique. Nobody else has this.
How is it unique?
It's actually got baffles and radiant flames that go around, so the heat gets spread evenly. And you've got this little grease tray right here.
Yeah.
Comes out. Yeah. All right, let's edit that.
But it's got the little hook there. So.
Yeah, but this is really popular at the shabu type restaurants. Mm-hmm. And what you'll see them do is they'll put the meat on here and start to cook it, and then they'll take a blowtorch, one of the bigger ones usually, but I'll just demonstrate this with a smaller one, and they'll torch the meat on top.
Yeah.
And cook it that way on top and the other way on the bottom, and it puts on a little presentation and a show, and everybody's happy. So
why not?
Yeah, and then we have other things that are a little bit more kind of in the novelty space. Like these are torches that look like whipped cream dispensers that have become very, very popular, which is kind of fun.
Yeah, one wouldn't want to mix that up. But,
yeah, you wouldn't want to mix that up. That's right. And then of course we also have our rubberized dispensers. So these
That's
have
cool.
a nice feeling to them. But For this show, for us, the big news is the NSF certification on the Elite chargers. That's a big deal for this space. No one has ever challenged the status quo of these little gas capsules. So we're trying to do that in a way that's really better for the customer.
Good for you for leading that effort and being successful with it. I think it's a big difference.
Yeah, I think it is.
It's definitely, it would be for me, that's for sure.
Do you want to eat machine oil when you have whipped cream?
Rust?
Chris, do you? Yeah,
I know. It's simple, right? I'm a scuba diver. I want my tanks to be clean and
right, there you go.
This sort of a thing.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Exactly.
So good.
All right.
All right, Darren, anything else you want to add?
That's about it.
All right, well, come on down, folks, and see Darren. They've got it going on here. They've got live demos here as well, which are really, really educational. It's fantastic stuff. Darren, thanks so much.
All right. Thanks, Chris.
Bye.
All right. Thank you.